So let's see how to replace the cabin filter on this car. It's not in the engine bay. You have to go inside the cabin, and on the passenger side, remove the floor mat, move the seat all the way back, and you can pull out this piece of the floor, just like that. Down here is the fuse box, and if you look up there, you're gonna see the cover for the air filter. With your fingers, you can release these tabs on both sides, and the cover comes out. Go ahead and clean up the debris from it. Also remember to vacuum clean those debris down there, because over time, if those things will catch moist, they will rust. Now you can already see the filter is this white one, and use some sort of hook like this or a screwdriver. Just pull it a little bit like that. Take it out. You gotta bend it a little bit here because it's this plastic box in the way, so you gotta pull it out like that. And here it comes. Now there is nothing to clean up there because all the debris are down there. As you can see, the air filter is almost a square. However, it has an indentation on this side which will go up like that. Like that. Alright guys, that was pretty much it. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos about this car, there is going to be a link in the description below with all the videos I made about it. Also, if you want to stay tuned and see more car repair videos, hit that subscribe button as well. And until next time, drive safe so I can see you in the next video.